Will AI take my job? It's a question on the minds of millions, from factory workers and accountants to creatives like me. Once confined to science fiction, artificial intelligence is now a vital part of our daily lives, transforming how we work, live, and interact. It's becoming an essential tool in nearly every industry, making us more efficient but also raising concerns about the future of jobs. With the rise of AI comes a pressing question. What happens to us? How will AI reshape the future of work? Will it lead to widespread unemployment? Or might it unlock new opportunities we've yet to imagine? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of AI and explore how it's impacting jobs across various industries. We'll discuss which jobs are most at risk, what new careers AI could create, and the skills you'll need to stay relevant. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of whether AI could affect your career and what you can do to stay ahead. AI has already begun transforming the workplace in ways that might surprise you. From recommendation algorithms on your favorite streaming services to virtual assistants on your phone, AI is everywhere, quietly working behind the scenes. It's processing enormous amounts of data, recognizing patterns, and making decisions at lightning speed. In manufacturing, AI has enhanced production lines far beyond the assembly robots of the past. Today's AI-driven machines not only assemble products, but also predict equipment failures and perform real-time quality checks. This is a massive leap in efficiency. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases, analyze medical images, and even perform complex surgeries. Imagine a future where AI can personalize treatments for patients based on their unique genetic makeup. In finance, AI algorithms are scanning financial data in real time, predicting market trends, and even identifying fraud. Financial institutions are now relying heavily on AI for tasks like risk assessment and investment strategy. But where does that leave us, the workers? Are we being replaced by tireless machines that don't need breaks or pay raises? To understand this, we need to look at how AI is reshaping specific jobs and industries. When we talk about AI taking jobs, we're really talking about automation. Automation refers to technology performing tasks once done by humans. With AI, automation is reaching new heights, taking on complex cognitive tasks that, until recently, only humans could handle. Automation can be divided into two main types: rule-based and cognitive. Rule-based automation involves repetitive tasks, like those in manufacturing where robots assemble cars. Cognitive automation, on the other hand, refers to tasks involving decision-making and language processing, such as analyzing medical scans or predicting financial trends. As AI excels at cognitive tasks, jobs we once thought were safe are now at risk. Repetitive tasks are the first to go, but as AI advances, it's starting to encroach on more complex jobs, raising questions about which roles might be next. So, which jobs are most vulnerable to AI-driven automation? The answer depends on a few factors: how repetitive the tasks are, how predictable the decisions are, and how much human interaction or creativity is needed. Jobs involving predictable, repetitive tasks are at the highest risk. McKinsey's study in 2020 estimated that by 2030, around 50% of all workplace activities could be automated, affecting about 400 million jobs. That's a staggering number, but it doesn't mean all jobs will disappear. In manufacturing, AI-driven machines are already replacing assembly line workers, optimizing schedules, performing quality checks, and even predicting machinery maintenance needs. In transportation, self-driving vehicles are poised to disrupt the industry. Companies like Tesla and Uber are making strides in autonomous driving, which could potentially impact millions of truck and delivery drivers. Retail and food service industries are also being transformed. Self-checkout machines, robotic chefs, and Amazon's cashierless stores show how AI is streamlining these sectors. Even customer service roles face disruption, with AI chatbots and virtual assistants handling a growing number of inquiries. And it's not just blue-collar jobs on the line. AI is increasingly entering white-collar industries, changing the landscape for professionals too. Let's explore how AI is affecting skilled, knowledge-based jobs. When people think about job automation, they often picture factory workers or delivery drivers. But AI is also reshaping white-collar professions. While these roles might seem safe, AI is making significant inroads, often by augmenting rather than replacing human workers. In finance, AI systems now handle vast amounts of data, making split-second investment decisions with remarkable accuracy. Investment banks, hedge funds, and even individual investors rely on AI for data-driven decision-making. Meanwhile, roles in accounting and auditing are being transformed by AI software that automates bookkeeping, identifies discrepancies, and flags potential risks. In law, AI can scan legal documents, draft contracts, and perform research in a fraction of the time it takes a human. This allows lawyers to focus on strategic and client-facing work rather than routine tasks. In healthcare, AI aids in diagnosing diseases and analyzing patient data, helping doctors make more informed decisions and improving patient care. AI in white-collar roles doesn't necessarily replace professionals, but changes how they work. It frees them to focus on creativity, strategy, and human interaction, skills AI hasn't mastered. While AI may eliminate certain jobs, it could also create new ones. Throughout history, technological advances have led to more jobs, not fewer. The Industrial Revolution, for example, gave birth to entirely new industries. So, what kinds of new roles might emerge in an AI-driven world? One possibility is the rise of AI ethicists, who will ensure that AI systems are developed ethically and responsibly. They'll tackle issues like privacy, bias, and the equitable use of AI technology. We may also see roles like robot supervisors, who monitor AI-driven machines to ensure they function correctly. Data detectives, experts in analyzing data from AI systems, will be needed to draw insights and make data-driven decisions. Demand for AI specialists, machine learning engineers, and data scientists is expected to rise as organizations increasingly rely on AI technologies. AI could create career paths we can't yet imagine. As AI evolves, workers need to adapt, and that means education is key. Learning to code is valuable, but the skills most in demand will be those AI finds challenging: creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Data literacy is essential. Workers who can interpret data and derive insights will have a competitive edge. Critical thinking and creativity remain crucial as AI struggles with abstract reasoning and innovation. And since AI can't replicate human empathy, roles that require interpersonal skills are less likely to be automated. Governments and educational institutions are investing in reskilling programs, such as coding boot camps and vocational training. Upskilling will help displaced workers transition into tech-related fields, preparing the workforce for the AI-driven future. So, how can you prepare? AI isn't going away, so focus on adapting. Start by evaluating which parts of your job could be automated. If your tasks involve repetitive work or data processing, consider learning new skills that AI can't easily replace. Learn tech skills, focus on creativity, and embrace problem solving. These areas offer humans an advantage over AI. Staying adaptable and open to change is essential. Embrace AI as a tool to enhance productivity rather than a threat. Will AI take your job? Some jobs will be automated, while others will emerge. The key is adaptability. By learning new skills, staying informed, and focusing on uniquely human capabilities, you can thrive in an AI-driven world. The future of work is full of possibilities. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe. Remember, the future is in your hands. Stay curious and stay prepared.